Hello guys and welcome to Simple Trade. We are at the trading room at the moment and you guys, the students that are listening right now, we'll just kind of a stop from the session. Right now we are 5 minutes before 2 p.m. and we'll do kind of a recap to the trading session that we had. So I'm up today by $1,647 by only trading three trades. So we will go just one by one, and you will understand what I actually did. First of all, it was AQMS. Yeah, I was missed AQMS. I missed out AQMS at the beginning of the trading session. I saw it on my scanners, but eventually I just entered to the position at the price of 15, very close over here, in this consolidation over here in this price. I just risk around 5 cents in this specific trade, but after that I just closed the position over here after the slight correction. Eventually I took 61 cents in AQMS. Um, Most of the time I just split my shares and just let it go, but because of the volume and a lot of traders and investors was looking at the specific symbol, and because of that I decided to just cut the trade and to take profit. Eventually you can see that if I was able to still remain a little bit of the shares at the entry price, eventually I was gaining around dollar and more. I believe it's more. It will gain more eventually. The highest price of today is 16.40. And because of that, there is a high momentum trade in this one, and I was missed that at the beginning of the trading session, and I saw this consolidation at the beginning of the trading session. But it's alright. It's 61 cents, so it's still pretty awesome for the first trade of the day. Another trade, the second trade that I had today was PHMD. That was popped up in my scanners. Eventually, I wanted to enter to the position at the price of $2. I closed the position 1 cent beneath at 1.99 because I decided I saw that there is not a very strong breakout, a very strong breakout for 10-20 cents, that what I was looking for at the beginning of the trade. And I didn't took a lot of notice to the volume because the volume was very low and it was not rising very fast like I was expected. And because of that I just cut the trade, and basically I just lost in this specific trade 1 cent. I didn't was with a lot of with quantity, just around 2,000 shares in this specific stock, and because of that I lost around $20, but still it's completely awesome. All right. And the other trade, the last trade, the third trade that I traded was ETRM. I took ETRM at the price of 7.85. Let's move to the 15-minute chart. I saw this reversal over here, this candle over here, and the kind of support that not it's not taking the stock for the downtrend, and because of that I decided to open a long position at the price of 7.85, riding it till around the price of the 8.16. Right over here I took 31 cents eventually, so it still was perfect day. In the overall, I'm up to $1,647. In this specific trade, you can see that I was expecting that it will cross the 8.50, and after that it might continue to the uptrend, but because it was a slight correction over here, I decided just to close the position. still, because it was in the beginning of the session, it was down. So I was thinking it was still was kind of correction to the uptrend, but after that it might can go for the downtrend, and because of that I just closed the position with a gain, with a profit. So this is what it actually matter. Um, so of course, guys, we are at 2:30. There is a time to ask questions. So if you have any question that you're willing to ask about the trades and what I actually traded and what is the risk and reward and what I'm looking for, and the whole thing that it's like popping in your mind, you can write it on the trading room, of course. So this is the recap for today. $1,647. Most of the students even did more than I did, but still, it's absolutely incredible. The SPY, by the way, the SPY, by the way, actually broke the resistance level and the all-time high price of 229.71. So it's because of that was kind of indication that a lot of stocks will rise today with increase their values. So it's actually an incredible day. It's not like I'm used to gain, um, but still, get it. Profit is a profit, and this is what actually matter. So thank you a lot, guys, and I see you at the trading room at 2:30. Have a lovely day.